Emma, we are right on time for the London flight at gate A7. This is going to be amazing.
It really is. I can't wait.
Hello, and welcome back to English Friends Chat.
Hi everyone, we are very happy to see you today.
My name is Emma.
And I am Ryan, we are your friends for learning English.
If you are new, welcome to our channel. We speak slowly, and we speak simply.
Please click the subscribe button, and please like this video, it helps us very much.
Yes, thank you very much. So Ryan, you look a little tired today.
I am a little tired, Emma, I need a break.
A break, like a rest.
Yes, I am dreaming about a holiday, I want to go away.
That sounds nice. Where do you want to go?
I want to go somewhere warm, with a beach and the ocean.
I understand. I want to go somewhere with mountains.
You always like the mountains, Emma, you like the cold air.
Yes, it makes me feel fresh.
I need the sun, I need to lie on the sand and do nothing.
That sounds like a proper vacation.
So, Emma, I think we have our topic for today.
Yes, today we are talking about travel and vacations.
This is a fun topic, everyone likes to travel.
But travel is not always easy, sometimes it is hard.
That is true. Sometimes travel is great, and sometimes it is bad.
Today we have 8 advanced words to describe your trips.
We have 4 positive words and 4 negative words.
And we have 5 useful phrases for travelers.
Let's pack our bags and start talking.
Ryan, tell me about your last vacation. Was it good?
To be honest, Emma, my last vacation was a nightmare.
Oh no, a nightmare. That is our first negative word.
A nightmare usually means a bad dream, but for travel, it means a terrible experience.
Why was it a nightmare? What happened?
Well, it started with the flight. I took a red-eye flight.
A red-eye flight, that is negative word number 2.
A red-eye flight is a plane journey that happens late at night. You fly while you sleep.
But you cannot sleep well on a plane.
Exactly, my eyes were red because I was tired. That is why we say red-eye.
So you arrived tired.
Yes, I arrived in the morning, and I had terrible jet lag.
Jet lag, negative word number 3.
Jet lag is when your body is confused about the time because you traveled far.
So when it is day, you want to sleep, and when it is night, you are awake.
Yes, I was sleeping at lunch and awake at 3 a.m.
That is very difficult.
And the city I visited, it was a tourist trap.
Tourist trap, that is our last negative word.
A tourist trap is a place that attracts many tourists and charges high prices for bad service.
Like a restaurant near a famous monument that costs too much money.
Yes, too many people, expensive food, and not authentic. It was a tourist trap.
I am sorry, Ryan, that sounds like a bad trip.
It was, but I learned a lesson.
What was the lesson?
Next time, I will not follow the crowds. I will go off the beaten path.
Off the beaten path, that is our first phrase.
Off the beaten path means to go to a place where few tourists go, a quiet place.
That is my favorite way to travel.
Tell me about your last trip, Emma. Was it better than mine?
Yes, my trip was wonderful. I went to a small village in the mountains.
That sounds nice.
It was a hidden gem.
Hidden gem, that is positive word number 1.
A hidden gem is something beautiful or good that most people do not know about.
Like a secret restaurant or a secret beach.
Yes, this village was a hidden gem. It was very quiet.
How was the view?
The view was scenic.
Scenic, positive word number 2.
Scenic means having beautiful natural scenery, like trees, mountains, or rivers.
So it was good for taking photos.
Yes, but the top of the mountain was breathtaking.
Breathtaking, positive word number 3.
Breathtaking means extremely beautiful, so beautiful it takes your breath away.
Wow, that sounds amazing.
I sat there for 1 hour just looking.
Did you feel tired after the trip?
No, I felt recharged.
Recharged, that is positive word number 4.
Recharged means you got your energy back, like a battery.
You felt fresh and ready for work.
Yes, the nature recharged me.
Emma, how do you pack for a trip like that?
I always travel light.
Travel light, that is phrase number 2.
Travel light means to bring only a few things, usually just one small bag.
I am bad at that. I always bring 3 suitcases.
That makes travel hard. If you travel light, you can move easily.
That is true. Dragging big bags is tiring.
Before you go, you should book in advance.
Book in advance, that is phrase number 3.
Book in advance means to pay for your hotel or ticket weeks before you go.
Yes, if you wait until the last minute, it is expensive.
Exactly, planning helps you avoid stress.
So, when are you going to hit the road again?
Hit the road, phrase number 4.
Hit the road means to start a journey, usually by car.
I think I will hit the road next summer.
I want to hit the road tomorrow.
But you need to finish work first, Ryan.
I know, but dreaming is free.
Do you have a final tip for travelers?
Yes, always safe travels.
Safe travels, that is phrase number 5.
It is a nice thing to say to someone who is going on a trip.
It means I hope your journey is safe and happy.
So, to review, my trip was a nightmare with jet lag.
And my trip was breathtaking and scenic.
I am jealous. I want your trip.
Next time, come with me. We can find a hidden gem together.
That is a deal. I will pack my bag tonight.
Remember to travel light, Ryan.
Okay, only 2 suitcases this time.
Ryan, that is not light. We shared some great stories. Now let's check the words.
We have 8 big words to remember.
Let's start with the negative words from Ryan's bad trip.
Okay, word 1 is nightmare.
A terrible or very bad experience.
Word 2 is red-eye flight.
A plane trip late at night that makes you tired.
Word 3 is jet lag.
Feeling tired because of changing time zones.
Word 4 is tourist trap.
An expensive place with too many tourists and bad quality.
Now the positive words from Emma's good trip.
Word 5 is hidden gem.
A special place that few people know about.
Word 6 is scenic.
Having beautiful views of nature.
Word 7 is breathtaking.
Extremely beautiful, amazing to look at.
Word 8 is recharged.
Extremely beautiful, amazing to look at.
And we had 5 phrases.
Feeling full of energy again.
Perfect, now let's play a game.
Off the beaten path, travel light, book in advance, hit the road, and safe travels.
Perfect. Now let's play a game.
I am ready for the game.
This game is called positive or negative.
Okay, that is simple.
I will say a sentence about travel. You tell me if the feeling is positive or negative.
I understand, let's go.
Sentence 1. I paid $10 for a small bottle of water.
That is negative. That sounds like a tourist trap.
Correct. Sentence 2. When I saw the mountain, I could not speak.
That is positive. The view was breathtaking.
Yes. Sentence 3. I fell asleep at dinner because it was 3 a.m. in my home country.
That is negative. You had jet lag.
Correct. Sentence 4. I found a small cafe in a quiet street with the best coffee.
That is positive. You found a hidden gem.
Yes. Sentence 5. I brought 5 bags for a 2-day trip.
That is negative. You did not travel light.
You are right. Carrying 5 bags is hard work.
I need to learn to travel light. It is my new goal. Well, friends, our travel talk is ending.
Talking about vacations makes me want to go to the airport.
Me too. Let's go find our passports.
But first, we must say goodbye to our friends.
We hope you use these words on your next trip.
Maybe you will find a scenic place.
Or maybe you will go off the beaten path.
Now, it is time for the question of the day.
We want to know about your travel dreams.
Today's question is, what is a hidden gem in your country?
Oh, I love that question. What is a hidden gem in your country?
Tell us a place that is beautiful but not famous.
Maybe a small park or a nice village.
Please write the name of the place and why you like it.
We might visit it one day.
We love reading your recommendations.
Thank you for traveling with us today.
Thank you for your time.
Subscribe for more English conversations.
And safe travels, everyone.
Goodbye, friends.
Bye-bye.